Hello guys, welcome to Ding Pong Crate. Today we're going to work on this garage door opener and let me show you the problems we have right now at this moment. So this garage door opener, so the bracket holds like this. So this thread right here used to be mounted right here. Look at this. But this thread is no longer allowing to lock it. The hole is too big and this bracket is right here coming off. And so this J-arm no longer be able to connect and no longer be able to open the garage door. Today's video is going to be how to replace the kit that I bought and how to make it so that this J thing will hooked up together and how to be able to open it and close it really easy. At the same time, if you're going to do a garage door opening, now be a good time to check for the chain. Any oil needs to be done. But right now, this chain is too loose. And eventually, this will cause a problem where garage door opening will not open and close as it should. So I can show you how to make that adjustment as well. So why don't we go ahead and let me explain to you in how. Garage door reinforcement bracket, I got mine from Amazon. And this is the kit it comes with. And let me show it to you. It comes in an adjustable bracket and it comes with nuts and bolts and a little hook, the insert that you can put in. The wider one is the one you want to put down in the top, and then the skinny one goes to the bottom. And so if you guys need to get stuff from a kit from the Amazon, I will leave the link and all that stuff right below for you, so you guys can go ahead and click it and get the right one for you. The first thing we got to do is to be able to take some bracket off of here. And so I'm using the socket for number 10 right here. And I'm going to go ahead and undo this part first. Wouldn't it be great if this was broken during the winter time rather than summertime where you're not getting baked to death? Because right now the garage feels like 110. If you ever want to get a free sauna, well, this is the place to get them. Guaranteed to lose weight for 2 minutes and you will sweat like a pig. So I took out the old bracket right here, and on this one I am not going to throw away. I'm going to reuse this thing for later on for better support for it. But if we do a study a little bit right now, you can tell that the previous owner tried to use this to, and do that, but eventually time will tell what this thing will give out. So here is the old bracket right here. You can see how thin the metal is, and compared to the kit I got from the Amazon, where the steel is much thicker and stronger, and really, compared to weight of this one and this one's the heaviest and strongest and durable. Yeah, so we're going to use this one right over here. So let me kind of show to you how I am going to install it. So the kit I have, I am going to put the bigger plate right up here, and then I'm going to put this one right sliding to the same type of panel right here, and I'm going to do it this way. Okay, it's the way I'm going to do this. This is the bracket I'm going to use for the old one here. And then, so I've been fastening here to here, and then create a new hole for this one for the newer bracket. And then with the newer bracket, I'm gonna go ahead and make the hole here, here, and one existing one to make it stronger fastening. And then I'm going to put the bottom section of it, and then putting a hole screw here and screw here. Doing that and screw here and here. So what I've done is I have fastened these newer holes with the newer support for the newer bracket here. Now I'm working on the bottom section. The bottom part, I just put one bolt up here, and I kind of adjust according to the side holes here. So I am now putting the sidewall on here, and it has a square little thing inside there, and I'm gonna put that placing probably right here, and then I can place like that, and then this nut has like a self-lock sleeves on there. So basically just turn this thing on, or turn it, and I'm using this, and then I'm just gonna turn it and lift it up, and done. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that 3 more just like that. Guys, so this is all finished right now, and so we put a new bracket in here from the kit I got from the Amazon, and it looks really good. Now would be the good time to kind of adjust and make maintenance on the garage chain and make sure that all the bolts are nice and tight and stuff. But in order for me to show you the result of how this garage door opening and closing, I won't be able to show you that, and the reason is finding out that is a spring broke right there. If you do a close-up on there, that snapped right in half. So because of that reason, I cannot test for you guys for how well this opening and closing on that. I think what happened was because that spring broke, that the force of the weight of the garage door opening and everything ruined the top part right here, and that snapped all these joints and stuff here. For a good thing for me to come over here and fix this is one less of a garage door repairman cost, but I do need to call a garage door repairman to be able to put a new spring out there. Guys, thank you so much for watching over my show, and I see you next video next time. Okay, be sure to subscribe and like and remarks and do other fun stuff. Thanks, bye.